Let's sing phonics song with animals. A is for alligator, a. B is for bear, b. C is for cat, k. D is for dog, d. E is for elephant, a. F is for fox, G is for goat, g. H is for horse, I is for iguana, e. J is for jaguar, j. K is for kangaroo, k. L is for lion, M is for monkey, N is for newt, O is for owl, P is for penguin, p. Q is for quail, R is for rabbit, S is for sheep, T is for tiger, U is for urchin, V is for vulture, W is for wolf, X is for fox, Y is for yak, Z is for zebra,